Mana 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 mana.
Hi buddies, how you doing? Holmes again. Today I'm gonna show you my little cousins. This is Mary and she's 3 years old. She really likes jumping, you know.
Show him again. Jump up down. Be careful. Oh!
And now her brother, Johnny, he's 7 years old. He loves super bikes.
Christmas morning and that bike is brand spanking new for about 5 seconds.
Better put the brake. Whoa.
And now my aunt Jenny. She likes hairy animals. For example, buffaloes.
What the cars behind us might be.
Feed him up. Feed the buffalo.
Hello?
Feed the buffalo, Michelle. Feed the buffalo.
Oh, sure, they're friendly, but I'd rather be where the deer and the antelope play.
Feed the buffalo, Barbara. Feed the buffalo. Feed the buffalo.
And now I'm gonna tell you my poem. Digital life and fast food. A hand for wife. I look so full. Don't forget to subscribe. We are the best. Thanks for your time. I see you later.